What is holding you back from chasing your dreams? Is it fatigue or a lack of sleep? Are you feeling drained and low on energy? Perhaps it seems like there's never enough time or money. But is the real obstacle standing in your way actually yourself? Take a moment to reflect and realize that you have the power within you to overcome any challenge that comes your way. When it comes to making excuses, we often try to convince ourselves that they sound reasonable. But deep down, we know that embracing challenges and taking responsibility is where true growth and achievement lie. Let go of excuses and embrace the power within you to overcome any obstacle on your path to success. Don't waste your energy feeling sorry for yourself. It's time to rise above and leave those pity potties behind. Instead of dwelling on sad stories, focus on sharing your strength and resilience with others. Build a community rooted in positivity and inspiration, where people come together to celebrate victories rather than wallow in self-pity. If you ever catch a glimpse of me cruising in a luxurious Rolls-Royce, indulging in the opulence of a 6- or 7-star hotel, and living life to the absolute fullest, don't let envy consume you. Remember that I've poured my heart and soul into achieving all this. Nothing was given to me on a silver platter. I've worked tirelessly for every ounce of success I enjoy today. You too can create your own path and achieve greatness through your dedication and hard work. Rise and shine. Tap into your inner strength and unleash the unstoppable force within you. This is the moment to step up your game and embrace the opportunities that surround you in your country and community. It's time to tackle any challenges that come your way head-on and find solutions for a fulfilling life. You've got this. Embrace the power to make a positive change in your environment. Don't settle for complacency. Take action and seize what you truly want. Remember, excuses hold no validity when it comes to creating the life you desire. The lies that hold you back are mere illusions, created to deceive and discourage. But fear not, for you possess the power to overcome them. Embrace the truth within you, that time is on your side, your skills are unparalleled, and knowledge is your ally. With unwavering determination and discipline, there's nothing you cannot achieve. Believe in yourself and silence those lies with the resounding voice of truth. Every great achievement and every rewarding experience starts with a challenge. Embrace these challenges, for they are the seeds that will bear the sweetest fruits of accomplishment and growth. Remember, it is through overcoming obstacles that we unlock our true potential and embark on the path to greatness. Embrace the challenges in your life as stepping stones towards a brighter future filled with success and fulfillment. Every great achievement in life requires effort and determination. Success is not handed to you on a silver platter. It's something you need to actively pursue. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are stepping stones towards your goals. Remember, if you want something, you have the power within you to go out and claim it. Seize this incredible opportunity that is unfolding before you. Embrace this moment as your own and make it count. This is your time to shine in the perfect place where destiny has led you. Harness this chance and let it propel you towards greatness. Your time has arrived, and this is your moment to soar above and beyond any limitations. Embrace the power of today, for there is no guarantee of tomorrow. Your dreams and aspirations are within reach, but it's up to you to take action. Seize the day and make your dreams a reality. Rise and grind with unwavering determination. There may still be challenges ahead, but stay focused and committed to your path, just like an athlete on the basketball court. Keep pushing forward on that football field, my friend. This is the season for hard work and determination. Embrace the grind and never give up. You've got this.